Hello. In this video, we'll be showcasing the decentralized exchange, so the decentralized natively supported exchange on the XRP ledger. So in order to interact with the decentralized exchange, we again go to XRP Toolkit and just click on Get Started. Connect the wallet, so it's always the same procedure here. I will connect using the XAM app. You can also do using Ledger as the Cold Vault, the Season Vault, or the XAM app. You can't do it by address. You will need to enable it in one of these hardware or software wallets. And if you if you don't have any of those, you can just get the XAM app and import your mnemonic or something like that in there. But alright, so let's start. So I'm just gonna quickly scan the QR code here and sign it. And now I'm on the website here. So I just go to the tab Trade here, and this is the decentralized exchange. So there are also multiple decentralized exchanges who use it. So you can go onto it here on the XP onto the XP Toolkit website, but you can also get it on Sologenic. So it's Sologenic, that's the name here. It's another decentralized exchange. I will also link it, so there are multiple ones out there. And I just click on access stacks. I don't have to set up a user or anything. I just click on access stacks and authenticate using my wallet here. So this is just a tutorial, but never mind. I just click on connect wallet, clicked on some app, and also scan the QR code here. So it's also the same proceeding here. So after doing that, I'm going to sign again, and now I'm also logged in here. So they will be adding, as far as I've heard, they will be adding also stocks in the future. But we can see here we can buy Sologenic, we can buy XRP. Well, we can transform XRP to US dollars, XRP to US dollars Bitstamp, XRP to Euro GateHub, XRP to Bitcoin GateHub, XRP to ETH GateHub, XRP to Bitcoin Cash, and so on. So we'll be also showcasing that later. I think if yeah. So this is in this case already decentralized exchange here. I think they also offered stocks, so at least it's what I tried it in a beta. There were like stocks in there, but never mind. But we'll continue here. The thing here is that so now I just have to select a trading pair, and I could basically select any of those trading pairs, also casino coin or something like that. But I will be, for example, clicking on Euro on GateHub, and now, for example, we'll want to sell order. So click on market, and then I could, for example, sell 1 XRP. Maybe it works. Or well, I just click on 1 XRP, and you can see we'll get 70 cents. And click on place sell order. Now I have to sign the transaction. And there will be some things happening in the background, but which I will show you soon. But now I have to sign it on my phone. So again, an example in my case. So I signed it, so it's submitting my transaction. And right now it's a transaction being sent to the XRP ledger, and it's also filled now. So as we can see here, so now suddenly my available balance has decreased drastically by 6 XRP. So let's check this out quickly. So you can see here my reserve has heightened by 5. That's because a trust line was automatically added. So when you add a trust line, then the minimum reserve gets heightened by 5. So I can see here my Euro IOU of GateHub. I can also send it in as natively on the XRP ledger. So you could also send it, for example, to somebody else's account on the XRP ledger and just send around the IOU. And that's basically it. So that's basically the thing here. I can also, so if you can see it's GateHub, I can also send it to GateHub to website. Not to the website, but I could also create a wallet on the website of GateHub. And Sologenic offers the same functionality. So we can see here all the same trading pairs. So the great part about so we will also look at the theory a little bit behind it, because right now there are just a few assets supported. But basically you can create IUs of anything. So there's basically we can also see Rapdash, Ethereum, Ether Classic, ETH, Bitcoin Cash, and so on. So you can basically buy any of those here, also the GateHub 5s here. And there are many tokenized versions of that basically. So that's the awesome part here. And let's quickly check it out, the theory behind it. So we can see here one great part is the auto bridging, which we'll go into. But let's quickly look at the offers here. So whenever somebody creates an offer, so I meant like trades on the DEX here and says he wants to sell buy, an offer is being created. So these are the blue things here, okay? So we can see here there's an offer create. We can just click on one of those. We can see here, for example, so we've got Chinese yuan, but I will look for gate type stuff, or let's see, maybe there are some which are not Chinese yuan. We put here again, no, 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 no. Okay, I'm trying my best here, but apparently they're okay. We'll also pause it quickly, and now just go over lots of offers. Maybe this one in there about Bitcoin Cash. So right, so just let's open lots of those. And let's see. So we've got here, nope, 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 nope. Yes, we've got, for example, here XRP to XLM. Wow, it sounds interesting. So where was this? So because like I'm saying this is interesting because, for example, it's not in standard trading pairs here. So that's why I'm curious where somebody's trading that. But there are probably some other exchanges which offer that support for that. But we can also check it out because we can see here the S is called XLM, and that here is the issuer. So we just copy the address and enter it on XRP scan. So we just enter it here. We can see who is that. That's RippleFox. So we can just add RippleFox in there. And maybe we can also see the website. So RippleFox is a Chinese website apparently. Right, so it's that one. It's probably that one. I'm just gonna change to English. And I guess we can change here. So yeah, they have Stellar here. So I guess they can trade XRP also to XLM. So let's see what else is there. So we had XLM before now. We have that one again. Okay, let's go on. Maybe we'll see one also with Bitcoin or ETH or something like that. XRP XLM again. XRP. Oh, there's one. XRP US dollar. So somebody did exchange XRP to US dollar. I think so. Let's check out that address as well. So this one here is Bitstamp. Yeah. So I know the website. I'm also registered there. So it's basically we can see here. It's Bitstamp. So it's also an exchange. They're also running a validator. And on that exchange, you can also, they also offer support for the decentralized exchange here. So the great thing is that even when there's high volume, the XRP ledger can handle it. So right, so this is basically part here. So we already looked over that. One awesome feature is the auto bridging, meaning that you will find a path how to convert from one currency, one tokenized asset into another one. So the thing here is that, for example, we see here an example. We can see Anita places an offer to sell pounds to buy BRL. She might find this uncommon currency market has few offers. There's one offer with a good rate, but it has insufficient quantity to satisfy. In this trade, however, both GBP and BRL have active competitive markets. The XRP Ledger's auto bridging system finds a way to complete Anita's offer by purchasing XRP with GBP from one trader, then selling the XRP to another trader to buy BRL. Anita automatically gets the best rate possible by combining the small offer in a direct GBP BRL market with the better composite rates created by pairing GBP to XRP and XRP BRL offers. So that's basically the awesome part here, auto bridging. It finds the best way, the best path. So it's the best path, like with the smallest cost, basically. So it could even go 3 ways or 4 ways. So first taking that and then transforming it into whatever. So Matt Hamilton made an example like going from shoes to oil and going from oil to US dollars, something like that. So that's the interesting part here. So we can see here, auto bridging happens automatically on any offer create transaction, payment transactions do not use auto bridging. Okay, can find paths that have the same effect. But right, so there's also, yeah, exactly. There's also path steps. There are also path made of steps to connect the sender. Right. So you can also see your sender account, order book. Okay, right. So yeah, that's the interesting part here. So that's right. So they have, okay. So also paths with receivers. So, okay, right. Okay, yeah. So you can also check it out here. We'll also link that. But basically, this is the decentralized exchange. This is what it is. Right. So yeah, that's basically it. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.